In this video we will see how to perform joining for two different data frames using full outer join. Okay, so in the outer join all the rows of both data frames are joined here. Okay, in the outer join all the rows of both data frames are joined here. Observe here. So where rows doesn't have value, there not a number will be substituted. So in the outer join all the rows of this two data frames are in different rows, so all the rows will be written here. Okay, in outer join if you want to written all rows means you have to perform outer join here. Okay, so this is the two Excel files. We have to convert these Excel files into data frame and we have to perform outer join here. Okay, so we'll see this example. So with read underscore Excel function we are converting the Excel file into data frame and storing in this df1 data frame 1 and another Excel file in data frame 2. And if you want to perform outer join, you have to use this merge function and you have to pass the data frame which data frame you are performing outer join, and also which column name. Column which means two data frames should have same one column name, those that have to write here on player name, and which here we are performing outer join. In how attribute we have to write outer. Okay, how we call outer represents which join you are performing. Okay, means you are performing outer here. Okay, just execute it. See, it returns all rows here, player name, age, the salary in lakhs here. Okay, so if you want to see all in the console, just check it here, print df1. Okay, and print df2, print here. Okay, so execute now, execute it. See, observe here, here player name, age. Okay, one column name is one data frame is a player name, having player name and age column names, and another data frame having a player name and salary. Okay, if you perform outer join it returns all the rows. Okay, player name, age, salary here. Okay, all the rows means one column name should be there, and age and salary, player name, age and salary. If you perform outer join, all it returns all player name, age and salary and their values. Okay, if there is no value for the age, suppose Jesse Bruno has no value for age, okay, it returns not a number. Okay, and also Hardik Pandya has no salary here. Okay, no salary here, it returns not applicable number here. Okay, you observe this outer join means outer join returns all rows from the all rows, it returns all rows from the both data frames. Okay, all rows from the data frame. Suppose if in inner join means it returns only the common rows between. Okay, common rows. Left means left join means left hand rows, right join means right hand rows. Okay, that we will see here. Suppose if you perform inner join, it returns common rows between the two data frames. Just execute it. See, observe here, player name, age and salary here. Okay, common rows, what are there? Because Hardik Pandya age is not there in the another data frame, and here just is not there in the another data frame, so it doesn't it only the common row, it returns only the common rows here. Okay, inner join. If you perform left join means it returns all the left hand side. Okay, here all the left hand rows. Just execute it. Suppose if you perform left join here, left join, just execute it. See, left hand it returns, so this is a player name, it is a left hand side row, and player name is a right hand row. It returns all the rows here, left hand side row. See, Virat Kohli 35, Hardik Pandya 30, but it doesn't return the right hand rows here. See here, salary, Jeshwar Brumna salary not applicable. Hardik Pandya salary, it returns all rows, but it returns the salary, but Hardik Pandya doesn't have salary here. Okay, in the left hand side Hardik Pandya doesn't have salary here. Observe here. Okay, it returns only the left hand side rows. Okay, it returns only all left hand side rows only. Suppose if you perform right join here, it returns all the right hand side rows. How we call right join? Execute it. See, observe here, this is the left hand side rows, this is the right hand side rows. So both written three column here, player name, age and salary. So it returns all the rows from right hand side. Rohit Sharma 50, Virat Kohli 60, Jeshwar Brumna 40, but Jeshwar Brumna doesn't have age here. Okay, because age is in, because it doesn't have in age column, doesn't have in here. Okay, so like that. Outer means it returns all rows. Outer means all rows from the both columns. Suppose if you return outer means it returns all rows. Okay, so like that you are performing different join. Okay, based on the conditions you perform this different join in the how attribute here. Okay, and a merge function or how attribute. Okay, so that's about the outer join. In next video we will see if how to join when there is no column name. Okay, we are as of now we are performing different joins: inner join, left join, right join, outer join, having same column name between two different data frames. Suppose if you don't have column name, how we perform joins? Okay, we'll see in the next video that one, how to join when there is no common column.